Hello friends, here on Happy Home Gadgets you will get much more ideas to make best your home, kitchen, and daily life, so keep watching. I will try my best to provide you knowledge about latest ideas and inventions. In this video we will see a group of Best New Gadgets 2022 and Best Kitchen Gadgets 2022 and Best Cheap Kitchen Gadgets, and also utensils and smart appliances for bathroom, so it's very important and coolest gadgets you will see here. You can find the most incredible gadgets and inventions, tips and hacks for your projects, super satisfying machines, and workers who make their job know perfectly. You won't believe they are real. Be ready to have your mind blown. If any of this is your thing, subscribe to keep up with us. You can easily buy these products in this video through the link to buy these products in the description below the video. If you want something specific in this video, leave me a comment with the product you want. Due to the advanced technologies, we can use gadgets of different kinds. We all depend on devices from the morning alarm clock to night lamps. Compared to human activity and machine activity, the machine takes the lead in this world. No field is operating only with humans, as overall man is dependent on them, as without them we cannot do anything. Some of the gadgets we cannot even imagine without being them are laptops, smartphones, microwaves, smartwatches, etc. The use of devices has solved lots of problems with physically challenged people. It has influenced us in many ways, and we can't even think without gadgets in our daily lives. Gadgets have made our lives pleasurable and comfy. Starting from the summer to the winter season, we are making ourselves with AC and room heaters. Some of the other gadgets include a dryer, hair straightener. You can't be able to find a single house without these gadgets. Devices do help in saving a lot of space. In earlier days, there were telephones, where one needed to sit in one place and talk, but now with smartphones, one can travel around and talk wherever. Some other gadgets meant for fun, like iPod, MP3, PlayStation, etc., have always been our favorite. These things are only possible because of modern technology. The usage of these gadgets brings closeness and smile to the family members. They have become essential since they have managed boredom and loneliness in our daily lives. Though technology and widgets may be helpful if made an addiction, they can be harmful. Thus, to avoid addiction to it, you can set a time limit. Based on research, 29% of kids efficiently use modern gadgets, and 70% master them by primary school age. Children's continuous usage of gadgets. Thus, we need to understand that technology and gadgets make our lives easier. Therefore, we should not become addicted to them. People nowadays tend to have many devices, and they are obsessed with them, which is not a healthy sign. Causes distress, which is not beneficial for us. Hence I am concluding that if we use the technology in a good way, we're all good. Use it in a wrong way, no wonder you in trouble. Thank you followers. Share this video with friends to benefits from ideas and tricks.